everyone, my name is Andreca and welcome to my channel. In today's video we'll be doing lip swatches and we will also be dabbling a little bit in the new Too Faced Pumpkin Spice palette to get this eye look that I have, and also you'll see what color this is on my lips if you just keep on watching. But before you do anything, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you enjoy my content, it really does help my channel out. Alright, now let's get into the video. Okay, so this is the Too Faced Christmas Snuggles and Melted Kisses, and here we have it. I'm not sure if you've seen my unboxing video, but I did do some swatches on my hand in the unboxing video that I did for my Ulta beauty haul. If you haven't seen that video yet, please check it out. I'll put it in the cards up above, and I'll also link it in the description box if you're interested in seeing all the recent stuff I just got not too long ago from Ulta Beauty. But what I really liked when I did do the unboxing and I swatched it on my own on my hand, all of these have smells. Yo, I love it, I love it. So let's just get started. This is the first one I'm picking up, and this one is called Caramel Apple, and like I said, they all have smells, and it actually smells so good, y'all. It actually smells like caramel. I'm gonna bring you in a little bit because again, this is lip swatches, so let's get comfortable. I'm just gonna swatch this first color, and it's called Caramel Apple. Not bad. This is Caramel Apple. What do you think? Not bad. Now this is how it looks without a lip liner. I'll grab a lip liner right quick and I'll be right back. I'm back. I went and grabbed the NYX Professional Makeup lip pencil in the shade Brown, and I'm just gonna line my lips a little bit. A big difference, but I actually do like this shade. Alright, let's get into this candy cane one. Smells so good. Smells so good, y'all. Alright, candy cane. Get y'all a little zoomed in. She's straight. She ain't super duper cute, but she's okay. The texture is kind of thin. Like, it's not a real like thick creamy matte formula. Like, the formula isn't really creamy. It isn't really thick. This is candy cane. Now let's see if there's going to be a difference if I add a little bit of lip liner. So that's a lot better. This is with the lip liner. Okay, next shade we're gonna do is Hot Toddy. Be right back. Alright, y'all, this is Hot Toddy, and let's get into it. Yeah, y'all, like I said, the formula is pretty thin. The texture, the formula is pretty thin, and it dries down really, really fast. She bright. She bright. Mm-hmm. Y'all, my lips is looking kissable. Yeah, I actually really like this shade, y'all. Like, I'm actually not mad at this one. I like this one. I like Candy Apple too, but it was just a little bit bright. But this one's bright too, but I don't know, y'all. I'm not really hating this one. What's it called again? Hot Toddy? Alright, now let's try it with the liner and see how it looks. This is Hot Toddy. Hi y'all, I'm back, and the next shade we will be doing is called Sugar Cookie, and here it is right here. I actually had to do voiceover because for some reason in this particular clip my sound cut out, so yeah, I'm back and I'm just gonna do voiceover. Now my lips are lined. I decided to line my lips ahead of time this time around because Sugar Cookie is really a light color for my skin tone, so I'm just gonna go right at it and try this lip color on, and we're gonna see how it looks. Now right now it's pretty nude, but it's pretty bright for my skin tone. But I'm I'm not hating it. Let's just see how it looks as this video continues. Alrighty y'all, so Sugar Cookie has been applied, and now I'm just looking to see if I like it or not. And right now I actually am feeling this color. It's a nice pretty nude, a light mauve color, a light nude color, and I really like it with the lip liner. I think it looks really good on my lips, and yeah, let me know what you think of this color on me. Out of all the shades, this definitely is one of my favorites, and this is Sugar Cookie. Alrighty, so there you have it. You've seen all the colors, you've seen all the shades. This is all of them together. Right now I'm gonna hold up the color Caramel Apple, Hot Toddy, Candy Cane, and Sugar Cookie. And out of all these shades, I would have to say Sugar Cookie and Caramel Apple are my top two. Actually, looking back at the footage, I actually do like Candy Cane. It's a bit on the bright side, but I actually like Candy Cane with or without a liner. Now, as far as my top two favorite shades, I would have to say definitely Caramel Apple and Hot Toddy, but really Sugar Cookie is also up there. I'm actually torn between Sugar Cookie and Hot Toddy as my one of my top two, but yeah, I really liked those three shades. Candy Cane is my least favorite at the time of this recording. Now, looking back at the footage, like I said, I did like Candy Cane. But now we're about to get into the pumpkin spice palette finally. Now, as you can see, there's a little bit of eyeshadow on my eyelids already, and it's just a neutral brown color. And I am just looking at the palette and I'm trying to decide, okay, what color am I going to go in there with? Now, if I recall correctly, I just chose one color, and it was a bit of a deceptive color because I remember looking at the palette and thinking it was going to be one color, and it actually turned out to be a different shade. Alrighty, now I'm looking in the pan and I'm trying to decide which shade am I gonna go with. And I actually ended up selecting the shade Crisp. Now, if you look at the pan, it has a light little pinkish color. Like when you're, here's the shade right here and you're looking in the pan, it looks like a nice pink shimmery shade. But we're gonna see how it looks once I actually put it on my eyelids. I did do some swatches in my Ulta Beauty unboxing video, but I really didn't remember how this shade looked or if I even swatched this shade in that video. So we're about to see how it actually turned out on my eyes. And here we go. I'm applying it and look at that. Do you see any pink? It's actually looking a little bit more of a golden champagne shade, isn't it? That really surprised me because again, it looks a little bit on the light pink side, in the pan, but once you actually apply it to your eyelids, it's a champagne gold. So that was actually a pleasant surprise. I actually like this color a lot, and it actually goes really well with my overall makeup look in this video. So yeah, I'm just applying it and I'm seeing how it actually plays out on my eyelids. But I'm actually really liking this shade. It was unexpected, but in a good way. Okay, so the next shade I am going to choose from this palette is the shade Ginger Spice, this orangey pretty color right here. That's the shade I am choosing, and I'm about to apply it to my under eye. So I'm just tapping and swiping under my eye. I'm just kind of swiping along under my eye and just applying this really pretty burnt orange shade in this section of my eye right here. And I'm also going to do the same on the other side, just tapping and swiping as I go. And yeah, that's what I'm adding to my under eye, the shade Ginger Spice. Okay, so I am loving how this is looking so far, and now I'm just going to add some final touches to my eye look, which is lashes. I'm going to be using the Ardell Wispy lashes, I think it's called. And yeah, I'm going to add that to my eye look off camera because honestly, I don't want y'all to see how I struggle. Because like I said before when I did my unboxing, sometimes I can pop the lashes on really quickly and then other times it takes a little bit longer. So I'm going to apply it off camera and I will be right back. Alright y'all, I'm back. Lashes are on. And I'm not mad at these. I actually really like these lashes. Let me bring y'all in so y'all can take a good look. But seriously, these are cute. These are really cute. Alright, this is a matte lipstick, and it's pretty drying. So I'm just gonna add a basic clear lip gloss. This is Laugh Out Loud lip gloss, like you literally can get it from a beauty supply. And I'm just gonna jazz it up a little bit with this Laugh Out Loud lip gloss. And there you have it, y'all. This is the complete look. I'm feeling very cute. I'm about to go check out, well, it ain't really a business what I'm about to go do, but I'm about to bounce on out of this house. And I have to say, I'm feeling kind of cute. Alright, now just to recap, the texture is really thin. It's thin. It mattes pretty quickly. It dries pretty quickly. And it's a bit bright for darker skin tones. Like all of these shades were a little bit on the the bright side, but I really still like all the shades. I love the smells. So that's one of my favorite things about Too Faced products. A lot of them have these great aromas. If they don't smell like fruit, they smell like chocolate, you know, cookies, whatever the case may be. So I really like that about Too Faced products. Also, we jazzed up this eye look a little bit by using the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice palette. You will be seeing this again. This will be making another reappearance. But I just wanted to play around in it a little bit since I did do the lip swatches in the seasonal collection. The seasonal liquid lipstick collection. And this is the seasonal holiday palette. Well, one of them. Then I finished the look off with my new lashes from Ardell. And these are the Demi Wispies Ardell lashes. I have to say I'm really liking these. Alrighty y'all, so there we have it. You've seen the lip swatches. You've seen a little bit of the pumpkin spice palette. Let me know what you think of this video in the comments. Do you have a favorite lip shade that you liked on me? Is there any of these shades that you are thinking about trying? Are you interested in actually picking up the palette and or the matte liquid lipsticks from Too Faced? Let me know in the comments. Let's chat. Thank you so much for watching this video. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thank you so much for watching and take care.